Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to configure the best HDR or high dynamic range setting for your Windows computer. Assuming your computer's hardware support it the HDR requirement. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to settings, open it, go to display. Here more about HDR, click on it. You don't click more about HDR, click on HDR. Now here you need to select if your hardware supported it. On in my case is not there guys. You need to select customization in your display. Over here you can customize over here, and display capabilities you can turn it on. Over here use HDR video streaming. I am not supposed to do that, I am not having it. Do turn it on, two of these, and that's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.